How to fix iPhone 16e constantly rebooting. Here's what to do. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on erase all content and settings. It will erase apps and data, Apple account and find my. Then if you want to erase all the data, then click on continue. After erase all the data, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.